Hi guys, I got something I want to show y'all. PF Chang. I've heard of this company before. I think they own a restaurant. I'm not sure, but it seems like I've heard of PF Chang's home menu. This costs, I think it was $4.50. I think it was $4.50. You only get one box. I think it was $4.50. Guys, look at it. You see broccoli. It looks like it does. It looks like it does. Look at that. I admit this is slightly smaller, but it looks like it does on the package. It smells good. I haven't tried it yet, but it smells good. I can't wait to try it. I can't wait to try it. Oh, I need to clean off my table. I got a bunch of papers on my table. All right, guys, let's see what this tastes like. It looks good. It smells good. How the white people on the TV, on the commercials, they have the box so you can see the name. I guess I tore it up the wrong way. Oh well. By the way, I microwaved it for 5 minutes. Well, it needs salt. It tastes like actual broccoli. It tastes like actual meat. This is worth $4.50. Now, if I had my taste, like I said, I wish I had a little soy sauce to go on here. The beef actually tastes like beef. Also, the container is damn near full. Now this, I wouldn't mind my kids eating every day. Although, I'm tasting a hint of preservatives. It's not bad though. I'd rather spend $4.50 for this than whatever the hell I paid for the other stuff. Yeah, I could eat this every day. Wouldn't be afraid. I just need a little hot sauce on it. Mainly it's the broccoli that need a little flavor. I'm definitely buying this again. I just gotta get me some soy sauce and bring it home. Dre, hope y'all enjoyed the video.